Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about PELADN GeForce RTX 5060 ARMOUR series graphics card. So friend, this graphics card unusual blower style AI cards with unclear GPU sources. So friend, their mainstream GPU offering are available through the standard DIY retail channel. The company just launched its first 50 ARMOUR series card, the RTA 5060 Ti and RT 5060 in both model use the same GB206 GPU and comes with 8 GB GDDR7 memory as expected, and the Ti version is faster thanks to the higher core count. So friend, the ARMOUR series was designed to collaboration with Red Dot award-winning designer. Through the name was not disclosed, and this card featured a custom fan design with 9 Bionic Ring Blades and which reportedly deliver 15% higher air pressure and 5% lower noise compared to the previous generation. And PELADN confirmed both RTA 5060 model will be offered without factory overclocking, and currently only the 8 GB RTA 5060 Ti and RTA 5060 are listed. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.